Mm-hmm. How cool. What's in here? What's a paddle attachment for scraping bowl? Another attachment. Oh my goodness, it's very heavy. And that's for the dough hook. How cool. How many attachments does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6.
Bring it out. Ooh, and it's got 2 bowls, doesn't it? Oh, don't drop it. Put it on the floor, yeah. And 1, 2, ta-da! Oh my goody, Kenwood. Then
There's one more. How do you lift this?
yeah, press it down. There you go.
There's one more here.
Oh, there's more attachment. This is the wire whisk. Has it got 2 bowls? Oh, cool.
Actually, yeah.
It's got 2 bowls, yeah? Can you bring it out? Oh, this is the 7-liter bowl. Will you help me remove this? Enough. How cool is that? Oh my goodness. Ooh. This is a 7-liter bowl. That is pretty cool. 7 liters and then 5-liter bowl.
It's basically the exact same size.
No, it's not. Is it on?
Wait, let me put an attachment. Put the whisk on, Mom.
Is there 2 of these?
How do you put it on? Yeah, pull it,
Push, you mean?
push
up
and then twist. Yep. There you go. And then you know what? It actually tells you how much you put in there. Let's say you put that's 0 grams. Let's say you add, no, not that one. Let's pretend we're putting breadcrumbs in it and we'll check how much grams. Oh, that tells you it's 34 grams you're adding. How cool. I'm at 35.